I'm Juhi and I'm going to walk you through my skincare routine and I'm going to take you through my effortless everyday makeup look. So in today's video, I will be pretending like I'm in one of the Vogue Beauty Secrets. So I've seen so many creators doing this trend. So let's hop into this trend. Before going further in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel now. First, I'm going to wash my face with this face cleanser. It has a vitamin B with spinach and niacinamide. I'm going to add all the products linked in the description box. So don't worry about it. Now I'm going to take these two clean spoons and refrigerate for at least 10 to 15 minutes, and I've already stored it for like 10 to 15 minutes. And what we are going to do with this is we are going to massage our face. So good. The benefit of using this spoon and massaging it is it's going to increase your blood circulation. It's time for face toner, and it's also have spinach and niacinamide, which is very good for your skin. After toner, I apply some serum, and it's from Dot & Key Ultimate Spot Corrector 10% Niacinamide Skin Clearing Serum. I've already added the review video on this product in my description box. So yeah, after watching this video, do watch that video too. Don't forget your neck. Now I'm using under eye cream, and it's from Caffeine. Just a tiny bit. After that, I generally apply some moisturizer, which is super lightweight because it's a daytime, and I don't want heavy moisturizer because I have oily and acne prone skin. So I'm using this Pond's Super Light Gel Cream. And how can anyone forget to apply some lip balm? Now I'm gonna do my everyday makeup look because I literally shoot every single day because I'm super active on my Instagram. So yeah, just go and watch my work over there, and if you feel that, follow me over there also. So first I'm going to apply some primer. So if you don't have a primer, that's okay. You can also apply some aloe vera gel. I generally apply on my T-zone because that's the area I get sweat a lot. Also on eyelid. Now I'm going to cover my dark circles using the concealer from Fit Me. I'm gonna take the foundation and I'm going to put it on my brush. Just like this. And to make your makeup long lasting, I generally I spray some setting spray before blending my foundation. Now I'm going to do my brow. Now I'm going to apply some little bit of eyeshadow, and I'm wearing the peach and black color outfit, so I'm going to apply the peach eyeshadow. I'm gonna go with this. Yeah, I'm gonna go with this one. Now come with my favorite part of this makeup look is the mascara. I love to apply lots of mascara. It's been like a year or what, I don't even remember, when I've like literally have not applied the kajal at all. I really don't like to apply kajal now. Now I'm gonna apply a little bit of, what we say, highlighter. Just a little bit. And how I can forget to apply the blush. I really love the blush. You just need to smile. Is the lipstick, and by this lipstick you can like literally see how much I have obsession with this lipstick. So this is how my makeup looks like on an everyday basis. Hope you guys like this video and found this video useful and enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel now and press the bell icon so that you can never miss any upcoming videos of mine. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.